Who's texting me this late? My mom. She passed away last year.
Sweetheart, don't turn around. I'm outside your window.
Guys, guess what? Super Grok AI, free and unlimited. Okay, and you know the sweetest part, like you can create as much video as you want in a day. This one is not that your credit are finished, and this one is not that you can't create any more videos for today. And you know the one thing I want you to do, I want you to watch this video step by step so that you don't make a mistake, because if you miss any point you are not going to get it. Okay, and another sweetest part is, please, as you're watching this video, don't forget to drop a comment on what next you want me to create for you. On the next video, I'm going to do that for you because I am here to serve you. Okay, so now without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. So let's go to my screen record. Okay, so right now let's copy our prompt. We've already created prompt. This is a prompt I created. Yes, this is a prompt I created. I used ChatGPT to create this prompt. Okay, so let's copy it. Let's create. Let me show you guys something. Okay, okay guys, this is the app I am talking about. This is the app I am talking about. Let me show you guys something. Okay, so this is it. This is where you select. Can you see Grok AI? X AI Grok. That is Grok AI. You can select to Google View 3.1 fast, Google View 3.1 light, Google View 3.1. But the point of this video is because of Grok AI. All right, so we are going to leave it in Grok AI. Okay, so now 6 seconds video, let's leave it on 16.9 because that is YouTube aspect ratio. Let's leave it at 480p. Okay, so now this is it. You describe what you want, describe it. Let's see it. Okay, so now let's create. Let's click on create. Please, this app it's generates video, it generates images, anything you want you can do with this app. And this app, before you'll be able to create that video that you want, you are supposed to watch ad, at least something free now. Watch ad for them. That is your own way of contributing to the app growth. Okay, so now let's create and watch ad. Your video will start creating immediately, so you can see it, and it's very fast. This app is very super fast. You can see how long, like you can see 4%, 5%, and that is how fast it moves. It's just exactly Grok AI, and this is free and unlimited. You don't need to pay any dime. Okay, so now let's wait for our video to create and let's see what it has done. Forget the fact that you are seeing 1%. Yeah, it's that is how the app does. It reduces sometimes in your eye, but definitely your video is being created and it's not going to take your time. Watch what will happen. Okay, you see it you see it. Can you see? This is 52%. Okay, that is how the app behaves. Okay, so now let's see what it has created.
Who's texting me this late? My mom. She passed away last year.
Can you see that? Can you see that? Let's play it again.
Who's texting me this late? My mom. She passed away last year.
Okay, so this is the video. You click on download, and please, if you want to download your video, you are still going to watch an ad. You can see video save to gallery. Okay, so this is it. So now let's create our scene 2. Let's go back and copy our prompt. This is it. Copy down. Oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. You copy it down. Yeah, copy. So guys, there's something we need to do. We need to go to our gallery and screenshot the last part of that video.
Who's texting me this late? My mom. She passed away last year.
Did I get the screenshot? Yeah, I got it. So now let's crop our screenshot because I want to use that screenshot to create. Oh my goodness, it's somehow blur. It's somehow blur. I don't know whether. Let me screenshot that again.
Who's texting me this late? My mom. She passed away last year.
Okay, I believe I got the screenshot now. Okay, yeah, I got it now. This one is brighter, clearer. So now let's crop it. Let's crop it. Okay, to give us what we want. Okay, still okay. Okay, so now let's go back. We've copied our prompts. So this time around we're going to use an image, okay, to continue our scene. You see what I did there? You click on image, it's going to take you to your gallery. You upload the image you want to use and then paste your prompt. So guys, one thing with all the updates I'm sharing on this page or on this channel is just calm down and watch till the end so that you're not going to get confused. So because sometimes there are some persons that just want to see the name of the app, they just want to see it and just go and start using it without knowing how to navigate through the app. Like they don't know how to navigate through the app yet and they're rushing to the app. I know that there are some persons that they don't even need to watch this video, only knowing the name of the app they can navigate through that app. There are people like that. But in order not to confuse yourself, why not watch till the end? Because it's even at the end I'm going to reveal the name of this app. Okay, so it's at the end I'm going to reveal the name of this app. So
Sweetheart, don't turn around. I'm outside your window.
okay, did you see that? Did you see that? That is lovely. So now let's download it. So I think our video is ready. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you people the name of this app because this app is too wonderful. The name of this app is called Gen V. Gen and capital letter V. So go to your Play Store or your App Store, download it and start using it now because Super Grok AI is free. So guys, don't forget to let me know what you want me to create next in the comment section. Okay, so see you guys on my next video. Bye.